Hello, my beautiful viewers. It's Judith Akinyin Judith down the villages. Welcome to my channel. I am in this home again. This is still Simenya, Ugunja Sub-County, Seya County in Kenya. I want to show you this house. This house is not complete, but the owners are living in this house, not completed, and it is such a beautiful house that I want to show you today. This is the veranda where we are now. This is the veranda, and as you can see, the ceiling is not on. The ceiling is not on. Okay, Judy, open the door so that we can see this house. This is the living room, and as you can see, the walls are not painted yet, but the plastering has been done. Normally, people will live into houses when not completed. This is sometimes caused by financial strain, and the house will be done bit by bit as they live in the house. You can see how lovely this living room looks. And they have already done the tiling. The tiling has been done in the house and it looks nice. You can see the walls are not painted and the ceiling is also not done. But when they are around at home, they will live in the house. They work outside. That is the dining area. That is going to be the dining area of the house. And I love the staircase that is done somewhere there. Okay, it's not been seen nicely. This is going to be the dining area. We can see the walls. The walls not painted yet. Okay, those are the stairs that I really liked when I saw the steps going to the dining area. And you can see also in the dining area, the ceiling not done. The whole of the house, the ceiling has not been done. And this is another step now going to the corridors that are going to lead us to the bathroom area and the bedrooms and the kitchen area. You can see that is the toilet, and you see the door has not been placed, but they have already placed the toilet seat. This is going to be the bathroom area. It's also not completed. This is also going to see, you see like some of the things are there. They wanted to do something in the house, in the bathroom area. This is the kids' bedroom, and the kids are not around, so they just covered the seats, the beds, because of dust. And we can see also how it looks like. The ceiling not done already, paint not done. Okay. Now, this is the corridor going to the kitchen side and the master bedroom. There's another bedroom also this side. This is a 3-bedroomed house. And this is the kitchen area. Most of the time they are not around, but when they come around home, they will be in this house. That is also the ceiling in the kitchen side, not done, but you can see the tiles are done so neatly and so nicely. This is another bedroom in this other wing. This is another bedroom in this other wing. We can see the roof, how it is, but they have the necessities like electricity and water is inside the house. Okay, this one I was told that it was supposed to be a study room. They've kept some things inside there. Remember, these people still don't live completely in the house. They work outside. So they've kept some things inside there. This is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, and it has an ensuite Still not completed. Let us now take the exterior of the house and we see how this house looks like on the outside. I liked the way the roof was done. That is going now to the veranda. It looks nice. Let's go around. And this is how people are really doing their houses, because you start a house and maybe by the way you are not able to complete it, but you will do it in a way that you can live inside it. And as I had said earlier, the rest of the things will be done slowly by slowly or bit by bit. This is the back side of the house. We are at the back side of the house. Okay. Now let us go to the side, the left side of the house. That is the left side of the house. This is the left side of the house. The roof is done so nicely. I really liked the roof. The roof is done so nicely. And that is now the veranda of the house. And that is the roof. I liked the roof. That is the roof of the house. Not so much complication on the roof. Okay. Now this is the compound. This is the compound of the home. It's so nice with a lot of shade, trees around the place. That's the gate. He's still making the gate not completed. And we can see how it is so shady. A lot of trees around. That was the house he used to live in. I think someone has rented it out now. That was his first house. Don't you ever worry if your house is not completed in time or on time. Do the rest as you go and as you can afford. Each and every time you get money, you can put it to the house. So long as it has a roof, you can live inside the house. Okay, Judy, wrap it off for us.
Thank you for watching, guys. Let's meet on the next. Shani mtoto wa mjini anti usitek ini Kenya.
Kweli, hii ni Kenya. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.